Hi everyone, welcome to the Cloth and Paper channel. My name is Wong and I will be your host for this video today. First off, I want to thank the Cloth and Paper team for allowing me to come on to their channel to show their viewers how I use the Cloth and Paper beauty routine inserts. These are A5 inserts and I just love them. I haven't introduced myself already. My name is Wong. I have my own channel here on YouTube that's dedicated to beauty. I do study videos for law school and I also do obviously planner videos. So I thought to marry the two sort of brands together, I would go ahead and show you guys in this planning video how I plan out my beauty tutorials. Love the Cloth and Paper inserts. First of all, they're A5. They fit perfect in my A5 agenda, and this agenda I use mainly for blogging purposes, so I note down all the products that I use, and this is really helpful as well because since I can list out all of my things, all of the products that I use, I just go back to the inserts when I'm finished filming the videos, and then when I need to fill out the description box and the links to everything, it's all here. It's easy. I have the color names down. I don't forget anything whatsoever, so this is really helpful for me and really helpful for my viewers as well. And yeah, so the rest of the video is going to be showing you guys how I fill out this chart, how I create the face chart on the side, and how I use each section to plan out what products I use, and additionally this extra section right here for additional products that are not already listed, and then the notes section as well. So I will be showing you guys this. So I love this planner. I basically use it mostly for tracking down all things beauty related. I even use the Cloth and Paper skincare routine inserts as well, and this is really helpful for if I'm giving advice on what skincare products I'm using as well. But I just love this planner. I also have the Cloth and Paper tabs that work beautifully with the whole aesthetic of my beauty planner. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, I will be doing a live person tutorial over at my channel as well. I'll link it down below in this Cloth and Paper video as well. But yeah, I'm just going to walk you guys through how I fill out this whole insert. I talk about how the paper quality is great. Look, it doesn't even bleed through with all this stuff going on over here. Amazing, amazing. Great for anyone who wants to start a beauty blog or who actually from day to day want to track down their day to night makeup routine. It is double-sided. I can track my night look, so day to night. Really great. Love these inserts. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I go through all the steps, please keep on watching. I actually use the foundation that I'm currently using on the paper, which is kind of insane. You might think it's a waste of product, but it actually isn't, because you don't even actually use that much on the page as well. And what I like to do is use a art brush with this. So this is the brush that I like to use. This is not a face brush, it is actually an art brush. So I like to use actual artistic materials when I'm doing this. And as I would with my face, I just put some foundation out here. And I take a little bit of the foundation and then I just fill in the page. As I would on my face. And the nice thing about these inserts are they're thick enough so that when you see the other page, it doesn't bleed through, so you can use on both sides. And then I'll show you guys really quickly afterwards how I keep these inserts separate so it won't transfer to each page. But this is typically the first step. I actually like to use the actual products on the inserts. So now that I have the base laid down, I like to go in with concealer, which is the second step over here in the skin area. And today I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I put that under the eye of the nose as well to create sort of a highlight, but we can go in again with some other materials as well. So that's that. So let's go in with eyeshadow. So for the look that I want to plan for my upcoming video is like a smoky cut crease look. So I'm just gonna go in with some very nice neutral browns for this, and I'm gonna paint it on this face chart, and then depending on how it works out, I'm going to translate that into my actual look as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do that as I would my face. And this is kind of a simple kind of process anyways, because it is typically what I would do in a makeup look anyways. So I'm just gonna do my typical steps as well. And because we laid down that foundation, it actually sticks really well to the face chart. Now if you follow along with the rest of the face chart, it says eyeliner, so I'm gonna use eyeliner as well. This is the eyeliner I like to use. It's called Heroin Make, but instead of using an eyeliner, it's very similar, if you can see, to a calligraphy pen. So all I'm gonna do is use a brush tip calligraphy pen to replace the eyeliner that I would use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line the fake eye with a pen. I'm also gonna fill in underneath where the lashes would be as well. And the lashes I'm gonna be using are going to be Lily lashes. Obviously, I'm not gonna stick false lashes on a piece of paper, so I like to go in again with a pen. So any brush tip pen of your choice. And I like to draw in the lashes. Now for the eye itself, I have brown eyes, so depending on what your eye color is, I would just do whatever it is. So I'm gonna use a mild liner, and I'm gonna use this to fill in my iris. And then I'm just gonna go in with a mild liner as well to fill in the tear duct. Let me just write down over here the eyeliner I like to use, which is the Heroin Make. And then the lashes I like to use are Lily lashes, the style Mykonos, so I'm just gonna fill that in. Then for the brows, what I like to use is Anastasia Brow Wiz on the actual face chart. The cheeks, I'm gonna be using this Charlotte Tilbury blush, so I'm just gonna fill that in as well. It looks like this. So I'm gonna write down cheek to chic. Yeah. Ecstasy. And then I'm just gonna use my fingers to put it on to the paper. And then for the lips, I'm gonna go in with the Jouer liquid lip as well. And I love liquid lips because they dry down matte and it's fine to use on a piece of paper as well. And I just go right ahead and I apply it to the page. I also want to incorporate something new. So this section right here allows you to do that. If there's not a section for that particular thing, you can add it down here. So I'm just going to put here highlight and slash bronzer. So this is the product I want to use. It's a bronzer. So this bronzer right here, I'm going to use the same brush, the art brush. I'm going to pick up that product and I'm going to go in to the face, like a contour as well, like so. So then, and then for highlight, I like to use this Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to use my fingers and I will just put that right on the page as well. And this is from Charlotte Tilbury again. So there you have it. I just filled out all the sections, and then in the notes you can just write maybe what this look would be. So I just want to name the look, I guess. And so these are ideas for video title. And there you have it. That's how I use this section. So that's how I use all the sections. And that's typically how the end result will look like in my page. So as I said before, I sometimes there's like transfer from page to page. Typically like to do is use a piece of vellum and I just cut it to size. So here I've just cut a piece of vellum. So here's the vellum paper. I'm just gonna open up my binder. I'm gonna put the vellum on top. having the piece of vellum in between really helps to separate and organize all your beautiful looks. So that's how I use the cloth and paper beauty routine inserts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be actually filming the live tutorial of how I use these products on my own skin. So if you guys want to actually see this look on a face, a real person's face, you can definitely check out my channel. I will be doing this look and it will be uploaded after this live insert planner video is posted, so you guys can look out for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I use the cloth and paper inserts. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.